In this video, I'll make the logarithm super simple. We will understand what is logarithm and where it works. These are most important laws of the log. So if we have base and power equal, it is going to be equal 1 because we know that 2 raised to the power 1 is equal to 2. So here I can apply this. Now 10 is equal to 1 because if base is 10 and power is 10, it will be 10. Now come to number 2. For any base, if power is 1, it is equal to 0. So 2 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. And how it can be written in the form of log? Like this. So log 2, 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now come to third rule. What is in third rule? If we have log x of the base a, in this condition, a is always greater than 0 and a cannot be 1. And x is always greater than 0, x cannot be negative number. Okay, now come to the rule 4. This is known as power law. So if we have power is x, right, this power will go the behind. So it can be written as x into log AA. And we know that log AA is equal to 1. So it will be equal to x. Okay. Now application of this power law. So if we have log 81 to the base 3, how can we solve this? 81 is 3 raised to the power 4. Right? So here we can write log 3 to the power 4 and power 4 will go to the back side and we will multiply. Right? Now we can write 4 into log 3 and we know that log 3 is 1. So here it will be answer 4. Now come to law of 4. This is known as product law. So when we have product law, we can separate in the form of addition. Right? So this can be written as log A xy. Now come to the application of this product law. How we can apply this? If we have the base equal, so base is 2 and power is 5 plus log base is 2 again and power we have 6. So we can apply there, log 2 is common and now we have 5 into 6 and this can be written as log base 2 30. Isn't it? Okay. Now come to the next law. Next law is law 5, that is quotient law. Similarly as product law, here we will use the subtraction sign. If we have division, we will separate them by subtraction. Or log ax minus log ay can be written as log a x upon y. Now come to the application. Here if we have log 2 is the base and we have power 60 minus log 2 and here power is 32. So how we can write? First we will apply the quotient law and then we can write log 2 is common. So we have 16 upon 32 can be written as log 2. We can reduce this, simplify. So this will be 1 over 2. Now we know that 1 over 2 can be written as 2 raised to the power negative 1. So here we can write 2 raised to the power negative 1. Then we will apply power law. So this negative 1 will come to back side and multiply by log 2. And we know that log 2 is 1. So the answer will be minus 1. Isn't it easier? Yes. Now come to the next law. Next law is base change. That is most important part of the law. While solving the question, so many times we have to change the base. So there are two different methods to change the base. One, either you can reciprocate it or you can change the mean base. If it is written log AB, it can be written as 1 over log BA. Or if it is written log AB, we can change the base, and that is constant C, and we will write the log CB upon log CA. Okay, and always remember that base will come to denominator when we are changing the base. Okay, now application. So here we have log 2 6. So how we can write? If we have to change the base, we can write it log 2 base 6. Okay, now see the next question. Here we have log 2 6 and how to change in the base. Always remember that base, if nothing is written, we can take log base 10, right? So log 10 base 6 and log 10 base 2. This can be written in the form of. Okay, now look at the next part. Here we have one question that you have to answer and write your answer in the comment. If you found this explanation useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In next video, we are going to explain some more